Did you know Facebook keeps track of every profile update you make? Most people never check their saved information settings. This hidden section shows your profile history and stored data. Today, I'll show you how to manage your profile information like a pro. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, simple, and privacy-focused Facebook tips that actually work. Step by step, manage profile information on Facebook. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone and log in. Make sure you're using the latest version for a smooth experience. Stay on the home screen once the app opens. Now we'll move to your profile settings. Step 2. Open your profile icon from the top section of the app. This takes you directly to your profile page. Here you can view your posts, photos, and profile details. Look for advanced options next. Step 3. Open the three-dot menu on your profile page. This section gives access to deeper account controls. Locate and enter the activity log option. You're now inside your account activity history. Step 4. Select profile information from the activity log sections. This area contains records of your profile updates. Open Manage Profile Information to continue. You'll now see all updates you've ever made. If this guide is helping you discover hidden Facebook settings, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook privacy and profile management tips. Your support helps me bring you better tutorials. Step 5. Find the section labeled Saved Information. Open it and choose Manage Saved Information. Here you'll see everything Facebook has saved from your profile activity. You can review and manage data whenever you want. Boom, full control unlocked. Now you know exactly where your profile history and saved information live. Checking your saved information regularly helps keep your profile clean, organized, and secure. Small settings like this make a big difference in your privacy. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below for more Facebook tips that make your social media smarter. See you in the next one. This is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and secure.